Welcome to Teddy Physics. If you want to encourage my work, please subscribe my channel. A battery of 9 volts is connected in series with resistors of 0.2 ohms, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 and 12 volts respectively. How much current will flow through 12 ohms resistor? So this is the question they are asking. First of all, I want to construct a circuit diagram. Okay, so a battery is there which is a 9 volts battery. So I'm going to take this is 9 volts battery, and this circuit is connected with a series of resistors. So this is first resistor, and this is second resistor, and this is third resistor. So 1 2 3 4 5. So this is fourth resistor, and this is fifth resistor. So total 5 resistors, and this is a circuit, closed circuit. The current will flow in this direction because positive terminal. So current I, which we need to find out. And here the resistance R1 is given as 0.22, 0.3, 0.4 and 0.5, and finally we got 12. So these are the resistance also they given. Now what they are asking is how much current would flow through 12 ohms resistors. First things first, this is a series circuit. You see here in the series the current is constant, voltage only divides. Okay, so in the series circuit current is constant, so whatever the current is going here, same current will flow, same current will flow, same current will flow in all the resistors. So here also same current, here also same, all the resistance same current only. So the first thing I should find I, that's enough, because the same current only is flowing. Okay, so how you can find I? That is a second question. So in order to find I, the total current, in order to find I, we should find out the effective resistance of the entire this series resistance, effective resistance. So how to find this effective resistance? R effective in series. What is R effective? We should add all the resistance, that's all. So R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus R5. So here in this case 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.4 plus 0.5 plus 12. So what is the answer will come here? 0.2 plus if you add all these things, and you will get 13.4 ohms. Okay, so now I am again redrawing this circuit. Okay, equivalent circuit, I am drawing the equivalent circuit here. So this is a battery which is a 9 volts. This is battery which is 9 volts, and here instead of all these 5 resistances I am going to draw a single equivalence resistance. So this is the single equivalent resistance, means effective resistance. This is R effective. So in our case here 13.4, and here this is the current we should find out. So how you can find out this current? Simple, by using Ohm's law, that's all. So Ohm's law, what Ohm's law says? V is equal to IR, that's all. So here what we should find? Current we should find. I is equal to V by R. So how much is V? 9 divided by R, 13.4. 13.4. So how much will get more here? 0.671 ampere. So this is the current we should find, that's all. So this is the current will flow through the 12 ohms resistors, 12 ohms resistor. Not only 12 ohms, this is the same current which will flow on 0.2 ohms resistor, same current which will flow on 0.3 ohms resistors, same current only. In series current is constant, current will flow same only, but voltage will be differentiate. So here 9 volts is there, right? So here V1 voltage 1, V2 voltage 2, V2 voltage 3, V4 voltage V5, like that voltage drops will happen. And if you add all voltages, then you will get 9 volts only, like that. Voltage will be varies, but current is same in series. Thank you.